Hi, people. Thank you once again for joining us. Happy Wednesday. Yes, it's Wednesday again, 6 p.m. Central Europe time. This day is our upload day. We upload video weekly. Thank you all so much for your continual love. Thank you for all the people that have super thanks me, people that are in my membership. If you have not yet been a member, try to check us out. And Super Thanks is also there. You can also use that to support your baby girl. So guys, today video, I'm going to be doing a tutorial to create this wig you are seeing on this picture. A customer of mine sent me this picture. She said she wants exactly something like this. I told her, don't worry baby, I'm going to do more than this for you. If you want to see how we create this wig, sit back and let's do it.
What I waited for, oh, you make me touch the sky when I'm down. 'Cause when I'm with you, I'm fine. When you go, I'm sad. I like my life with you. 'Cause you're my one love, and I'm not saying that.
So guys, to customize a wig like this or any other styles of wig, we need a lot of materials to make that possible. First, we'll be needing a mannequin. Yeah, a mannequin is where you place your net on so that you'll be able to sew that wig perfectly. This is a wig net. You need a wig net. They have different types of wig nets, but I prefer to use this. Sometimes some customer will prefer the down cap, but any of which you have is also okay. You need a T-pin. A T-pin is to help you to place the hair in order before you sew. You need a weave-on thread. Weave-on thread is also important and necessary. You need a needle. Is this needle you thread the thread with so that you can use to and sew your wig. Another important thing, you need a chalk. A colored chalk will help you to outline the measurement before you start sewing. This will cause perfection and gives you a perfect wig. You also need a scissor. A scissor is to cut the extra thread after tying. And another, we are going to be using 14 inches 4x4 closure and 14 inches 200 gram weight. The color of the hair is called 1B30. 1B30. Some person might also call it ombre, but the real color, the name of this color is color 1B30. It's a very beautiful and a unique color. I love it, and the hair I'm using is a super double strand. So when doing a wig, so this is the hair also showing here. When making such wig, first I always start with sewing the closure first. Before you can sew the closure, you need your T-pin to place the closure on the rightful position. And mind you, when you are customizing wig for your customer, always ask them if they want the center part, they want the side part. When they want the side part, ask them if the side part should be on the left side or on the right side. Like this wig I'm doing now, this one is a center part. This closure is 4x4 closure. After fixing the closure, the next thing, the chalk will come in. I will use the chalk to outline from the upper part of the ear down. After that, I'll go to the down part of the ear, then I outline down. In the wig net, you can always see where the shape comes out. That is the ear part. So you outline the upper part and the down part. So the purpose of doing this is to get the right shape of the wig and also to know how to place the weft you are working it. When you just sew from imagination, it always happens that at the end of the week you will have to reloose again and start to sew all over again. In doing that, sometimes losing and sewing again can also cause damage to the wig net, which nobody will want to deliver a damaged wig net to his or her own customer. I've also done a video on how to, I think the video was the arithmetic tutorial on wig making. I will be putting the link also in this video so that if you've not watched it, you can go check it out. So that really shows how many inches to inches do every part need. After attaching, sewing your closure, you have outlined, then you start to sew from the back. Like I always say in all my video, I don't double weft. I sew single to single. When you look at the wig from the beginning, the volume was not really down. The volume was in the middle till the closure area. So that is what I will be doing. I will be sewing with a little more space at the back so that to make the wig look really exactly as my customer wants. So now we are done with one bundle. You can see what I mean. I didn't do it very close to each other because I don't want the volume to be down. Instead, I want the volume to be at the upper ear area to the closure. So after seeing the end work of this wig, you will understand what I mean. It's so lovely. The hair is so wonderful. Like people will say if they enter my eye, the wig is a super double weft. When you buy wig or when you are into hair business, you know what super double weft is. That is the best quality and the most expensive quality one can ever get in the market. So I've done with the one bundle. So we are going to start with the second bundle. And mind you, there are some customers that will want 300 grams, which is also known as 3 bundles. Some will want to use 400 grams, but this customer just need it not too much, not too less. So we are going to be using 200 grams. So now I'm done with I'm almost at the ear side of the upper ear side. Normally in this stage, I always sew to the edge and cut. I sew to the edge and cut. But because of the reason that this hair is a super double strand, is very expensive hair, and the customer begged me not to cut the hair. So I'm not going to cut when I get to the edge. I'm going to be doing a flip over. A flip over. I've also done a detailed video on how to sew and turn very well, and the turning will be very very flat, like it will look like the edge was cut. So I will also put a video link up there. You can go watch it and know how to sew a wig flip over without cutting. So this is the flip over method, is what we are doing here. I'm not going to cut it. You see what I mean? I sew to the edge, then I turn, then I'll use my thread and my needle to do it properly. So this is the end of the wig. I've sewn the 200 gram, the 2 bundles, and the closure. This is it come out so lovely, and I really love it. The next step will be trimming of the hair. After trimming, then I'm going to style it, and I will also update you guys with the try on. I thought the try on, the trimming will be in this video, but I don't want this video to be too long. I'll do that in my next Wednesday video. Don't miss it. Try to keep up with the M&S family. You guys are so lovely, so appreciated. You see what I mean? That is the double strand. The double strand, the volume is always the same from the tip to from the from the beginning to the end of the hair. Oh my god, I don't know what I'm saying. So this is the end of the hair, the end result of the hair. It come out so lovely. I'm so loving it. So I'm going to take it down from the mannequin and do the trimming and styling. Then in my next video I'll be showing you the try on this wig. Then you can really tell if the wig look exactly as what my customer requested for, or if it looks better. I know I'll get always the opinion from you guys. Once again, I say thank you so much for watching this video. Thank you for always keeping up with M&S Beauty Concept family. I say God bless you all. You are all appreciated. Don't forget to interact with me on the comment section. Look forward to see the try on this special video, and we'll see us again next week Wednesday. Till then, I say remain blessed, stay happy, give love, share love, and love will definitely come to you. Positivity all the way. Thank you once again. I see you guys next Wednesday 6 p.m. Central Europe time. Bye bye.